Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable report notifications in the Trailforks application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the settings button. And then click on the notifications button. And then at the app notifications section, click on the report notifications button to enable it. And then just click on the allow notifications button, and once it turned green, the notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.